Alrighty then, mic check, mic check. What are we at? Day 36 of this little small account challenge trading contest against Ross, Cameron, and Warrior Trading. Warrior Trading is falling behind a little bit, and I hope Ross Cameron is doing well. I know he's on vacation. Again, I don't think that I could do what he can do. I mean, he just keeps going out. He can do stuff on vacation. He's, you know, working off a laptop. You know, maybe his trading style is better than mine, folks. You guys be the judge. We're whipping him by about a 4x as of right now, and I don't mean 4x like the Snorex 4x. We're talking about 4 times his current P&L, so not doing too bad. All starting out at $2,500 account. Let's get into it here this afternoon and see if we can catch up with our friends over there at Warrior Trading. And let's get rolling here this afternoon and see what we can do with the old Algo Box. Let's roll that tape. Alrighty then. Oh man, I really hope I was not on mute that whole time. Was I on mute? Did I do another one of those? Was I on mute again? Oh my word. Okay, I'm seeing the mic going right now. I hope I was not on mute on that first part, but we are catching up with Warrior Trading here, and welcome to our room if it's your first time with us. Oh, and look, my colors are all jacked up again in the room. I got to figure out what's going on. Every time my computer goes to sleep now, when it wakes back up, apparently this is what I get in my live stream. Look at these colors. This is not what it looks like in my office. Anyhow. Alright, do me a favor, help me out. It's a lot of work coming out here streaming with you guys, so do me a favor, smash that like button. The likes are free. Come on, hook me up, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification, otherwise you're going to miss out on the training videos that I release. And of course, if you have not done so already, follow us over here, here, and here. And of course, this is where you're going to get all your learn on here in our Discord chat. Links are down in the description, as always. Let's get into this afternoon. So top side, let's look at what's going on the highest time frames. So NQ again is typically our favorite. Is that music a little bit too loud? Let me crank it down just a bit here, make sure my volumes are good. Okay, yeah. So NQ, typically our favorites. RTY, man, look at all this activity up in here. Nothing up above this line right here, 2231s. RTY, it's going to be very interesting to watch. We've got red dot at this spot, second move into it. The drop down would be 2235, 2221, and then all the way to 22185, all the way to the golden ropes. If we come down in Q, look at this. We've got a nice play back here. This is going to, is that a shark? No, it's not a shark back. Not a shark tail, but we've got a nice PRZ with a dot back behind, previous dot before. We'll look to see what volume levels coming in at this one. This is the high time frame. Look at YM. Again, I think there's going to be a lot of activity here this afternoon. Look at YM here. This could be a, I mean, if we're going up higher, this is going to be a very large move. Let's measure this one out for here for YM. To the middle of those is going to be right here. Wow, 3,600 on the Dow is where we would be if we continue higher. On that double cross, double move, is there anything prior? Oh no, actually, I mean, that could just be getting warmed up. That is a W, although look, you see the tip tail right here? What do we know about our W's that we really like to play to the long side? That's got to come down below this pivot for that to really be valid, right? So right now, this could be the fake out because people are looking at higher low. They're going to think this is going to be a continuation. We get stuck somewhere around here and then come back down. Would be my anticipation. But again, we don't have to anticipate the big move. We just react. We want to know what's going on in the higher time frames so that we can react on the lower time frames, taking our 10, 15, and 25 ticks at a time for our trading strategies. So got some neat things lining up here. ES is cracking over the top of its high, though. Interesting. See something. Yes, but a nice strong straight up. Move to that spot. Okay, you know, we'll let ES continue to be our guide in that and execute accordingly. So let's click on first thing. Let's do our show all. And first thing I want to look at is MACV. So what are my MACVs telling me? Remember, we've got, that's this section right here, and we've got 4 of them. Look over here to the right. There's for the one on ES. So YM, we are currently green. What we care about is the majority of this section, right? The whole section, okay? This little section right here was red, right? But what are we currently? Currently we are green. Got it? Okay, so those of you guys who are new with us should know how we're doing. So right now we're currently green over here, green across the boards right now. You see that? So we should only be looking for long. See how simple that is? My correlated markets are all telling me greens, majority green across the board. So still looking to the long side, although remember we're coming to the end of the day and that final half hour will be the key to what we're going to be running here. So in queue, let's come down to my favorite first. I keep pressing 5. I got to use my new Stream Deck, trying to get used to that. Is that a shark? No, Crab Gartley. Okay, so not a shark tail there. We are just at a dot behind this spot here. I hear buyers on the tape, and we've got a green dot down below. First play here, we're gonna take this long. I know I'm way behind on this entry, so again, I'm gonna be small here to start. Here in buyers, but we know that we could turn here, right? We got to be very careful of that.
Fib dot Nasdaq on the Tuesday.
Excuse me. Where's my throat's still jacked up. All right, let's see how we play here. We got double large timing here, so probably a pretty big move coming. Again, don't want to go against the MACV. We want to watch to make sure we actually break that dot, though. If that dot doesn't break, we've got problems, right? We've got an attraction point up here at 15 369s and 372s right there and right there for the high side if we keep on the run. This is a double dot PRZ. I don't like that. I mean, I would like to get a little bit deeper than this, right? So I'm going to add to my position coming into these double dots right here. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm adding bid. You guys notice that I'm using bid here. Again, I don't use that very often, but you guys have asked before, like when and how do I use that? Right now would be a time when I would do that, just because of how behind I am when I got in on my first part of my entry right here, trying to take advantage. Now, I want to put some of these out to my target. See how I just use that as my target up there, 15 3/7s. Let's look for prior crosses. Last one, that's pretty far, pretty long time ago. The other one is down here. Do we have any doubles? Okay, double cross down here, 15 3/4s. Okay, I'm gonna mark this right here. The major point right there, and clear sailing up above us beyond that. So double cross here, just in case the market just absolutely splatters. I want to make sure I'm right back up behind that. Market's a little bit slow right now, so I've got plenty of time to kind of toy around and play with this play here. I have to be aware, I've got a red dot there. We know that we've broken through the back of this though, right? So this red HMD had already broken through, and there's a white cross play there from prior. So we're pushing up there. I got a big PRZ up there. So I'd like to be able to add to this position, but right now, still at a quarter position size right now. Looking up at YM, what's RTY doing? RTY looking pretty good as well. Everything's still green. ES has got a giant J hook. Get good with my buttons here. Stop right, CES, blue dot prior, double blue dot down there. Wow, man, what a juicy one. If that was anything but ES, right there at the open line, huge push, boom, up into the PRZ. We've got a J hook coming in on the 6s, so again, that's going to be a big one. And we've got double cross here, lots of activity. I think something big is about to come here. I'm hearing buyers. I'm going to add to my position, even though I didn't get my other one filled. Oh no, I did. It filled me. Okay, good. Let's push one runner out into the PRZ on my NQ. And one to the other level right there. Okay, here in the buyers. Oops, sorry. Come down here to this spot right here. Let's go. I'm here in buyers. I'm going to add some more. And let's see if we're going to get. I have a line right there. Is that the open? Oh, it's just high of day. Okay, we're breaking high of day. Do I have any problems with delta? Breaking the red dot, that's good. So space up to 15.369s. Front run it by a tick. I got my finger over the bid. And get to a half position here. All right, I think we're gonna push. Big PRZ target way up there. I'm gonna push one more out to it. And what would that be? 15.372s. All right, I'm hearing buyers still. Delta growing. It's not even as big as these two prior right now, so hopefully we've got some more into it. See if we've got some more juice. Double king timing. RTY is looking like we're pushing up. There's space up above us on RTY up to 2232s. You guys, I'm trying to press the show all button here. The RTY. Look at the space up. See the white? Building. Look at that white spot right there. This is how I use these. Right. Prior heavies. Algorithmic activity detected at the white lines. Okay, white cross. Oof. I heard sellers. Don't like that. I want to hear that followed up by buyers. Okay, it didn't go anywhere. I'm going to add to position here. Going to try to maximize this play here. Oh, I didn't get my fill. I didn't get my second fill. Come on, give me 10. Give me 10. Give me 10.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
50s. It's 70. Okay, big PRZ. Okay, it's 925s. That spot right there. We're breaking through that red dot. Let's go. Solid green across the boards. Remember, grindy and windy? I've told you guys before, right? We're grinding. So what does a racquetball play tell us? We continue, right? If you guys are new with us and have not studied my system before, or I've talked about this before, remember, grind, continuation, fast, reversion. Simple way to keep it. Yeah, nothing's 100%, but just in general, how we're going to play it. We keep an eye on that YM. YM still sitting in there into the double bubble. Double bubble trouble up there. Seeing that up there. I need to stop pressing my numpad button. Look at that. Oof. Something juicy is about to happen. You can just feel it. Need to press top left. My Stream Deck. Should that work? Cool. Gotta get used to the Stream Deck thing still. Here sellers, no movement though. That's good for us. Because if the buys step back in on that, look, there's no delta came in on that. Oops. Okay, I spoke too soon. There you go. Oh, need to keep track of my trades here. Trade 1. Slow and grindy. RTY just put in a red dot and reacted off the red dot. Very, very large delta just came in on RTY. Keep an eye on RTY. It looks like we might have a
target filled.
Yes, we might have a jackknife play on RTY coming in. Get up there. Going. Keep going. Get up there. Good song right here. There. Crank up this jam a little bit. You like this one? Let's go, baby. We're grinding so much. I'm going to push another one out there. See that line right there? We just want to see if we can get to that one right there. What is that? Is that the same one? 3, 7, 2, 5, 2, 7, 5. Yeah, same line. Okay, so that gray one, yep, it's across all. Okay. Get up there.
Target
Let's
filled.
start filling me up, baby. Come on.
Target filled.
Thank you. Get up there. Get up there. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Target
Thank
filled.
you. Okay, we're pretty extended right here. That's a double move to there. Am I going to get that one filled? We got the PRZ up above. Let's see if we're going to suck it up in there. Come on, gravity. I always picture this kind of having like its own gravitational force. Like it's pulling the price up into it. Let's go. Suck me up in there. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Okay, you're going to pull down a little bit. Push down and I'll buy bid. See how I'm using buy bid? You guys have asked me for every gig. So right now, I don't think that's going to drop all the way. Okay, I'm going to use the opportunity to see if we can push it back up. Now again, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I got to put the stop right back behind the white cross here in case disaster happens. There we go. Let's put this here as well. Underneath the white cross. Okay, see how I'm moving that, adjusting. Okay, there we go. We're gonna push it back up. Now I get to see how it's gonna maximize what I'm gonna do here. All I need to do now is touch that line. Give me that line. Let's go. Oh shoot. Out of here. See if we can get it. Push it back up there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, we got PRZ right there. I'll add right there on that PRZ. Did we touch it? No, we didn't touch it yet. I think it's gonna be good. Turn this music back down. It's gonna be a little bit too loud for me. Need to concentrate. Thank you. There we go. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Push it. You drop on me. There we go. Come on. Don't give me that 72. Give me that 72.75. Let's go. Give me 73.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Oh, dadgummit. Is that how it's gonna be? I'm gonna take some off here. No fun.
Target filled.
There we go. Come on. Come on. I'm hearing buyers. Let's go.
Fib dot. Nasdaq
Right.
on
There's
the
my
twos.
green dot. Come on. Come on now. Hold it. Come on. Adding in on the green dot. Just push me up a little bit here. Give me a little bit. I'll close her out. Come on. No, you don't want to drop out right now. All timing. Double king. Is this going to be the turn? A high time frame. Even on the wave, it shows we should push to that area to pick up that volume. No, maybe we won't. See? Ain't it? Okay, we're breaking it. Okay, I'm gonna add on this little PRZ right here. PRZ right at the cross level. Let's see if I can get her to push back up. If not, I've got problems. Trade one. I tried it. Doesn't go. Oh, dadgummit. Break. That PRZ just broke. Push me up a little bit above there. Come on, baby. I'm highly doubtful of just a full wreckage turn down right now. But happens. I got my finger over the close here. We are getting, oh, I just noticed we are getting delta shift here. Oh, that's a big delta. Okay. So there's a possibility we're turning here. I'm not gonna try to get crazy with this thing. See if we can just come up and out, and we'll take our profits from trade one. Did pretty good all the way up to this spot. Few contracts through it. Just gonna go. There. Get me up there a little bit. Get up there. Up there. There we go. Get there. Touch me. Come on.
Target filled.
Excellent.
Target filled.
Excellent. Touch me. Touch it. Let's go. Get it. Come on. Get it. Close it. Okay. I don't know what it's gonna do there. Oh man. Okay, that was a hard level right there, man. I thought I was gonna get up there and push it. We got the PRZ above, but I'm hearing sellers coming in here. All right, not too bad for trade one. I mean, there was a lot of work that was, you know, it was a worked position right there. Took some time off the clock for sure. Oh, not a bad push. All right. YM coming right in on king timing on YM.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2.
That is a very interesting V down right there. So again, I kept an eye on that, the way that was pushing. Going to be very interesting here to see how we go with this. I'm hearing sell, sell, sell. Big delta shift. Yeah, we've been... oh yeah, it's earlier today. Good, okay, so this could suck us back down to that area. We got the white line right there. Do we have any below us? There is that one and that one. Okay, so we've got 2 down below us. There's 1. Okay, so space down to 35, 328. Big delta shift here. Gotta make sure that it's not a fake out. Across the board's mostly green. So if we're gonna swing against the green, what am I doing? Target ones only, right? RTY looks pretty juicy there. I had that big red dot prior. These are reacting too though, pretty good. I'm just gonna stick with YM here, but RTY, I'll keep an eye on RTY as well. Reacting to diamond spot there. If we get a dot here, this will be a diamond dot, right? See the diamonds? So diamond dot play possibly coming up here. Need to see, I will play the next dot. This is a spot, if you've got full auto, I would come right up here and click red, and I would put my count right here, right? So next red dot, I would take it, but since it's a diamond, I would do both, red, green, blue, or pink. Anything that comes up right now. Okay, that's a green. So let's take a swing. Target 1 right there. I should have gotten a little bit there. Diamond dot play. Way behind on this. Keep that in mind, right? So you notice I pull my stop in. I mean my target in. Down a little bit. Let me get a little bit closer entry. It would be nice. Diamond dot on a king timing. Can accumulate a little bit here.
Fib dot. Nat.
Colors again.
Fib dot.
Oh,
Nasdaq,
yikes. Okay, hold up. Recency is key. Okay, so I'm going to go +1, go +2 on this red dot. Diamond dot play. Target 1. We've got 2 spots down there. So again, only targeting 1. And find a little bit on it. Going against the grain here. Are shifting there. So we went green to red. Remember, I always tell you guys, whenever there's something real super close together, what I tell you, recency is key. Okay, whatever the most recent one is. So on a scenario where we will play any dot around the diamonds, right? So I'm green first, but red showed up, right? So now I'm going big. There we go. I'm here in the sellers. I'm gonna add to position here. Let's see if we can get her to go. Gotta be real careful as we hit that white right there. We hit that white line and we bounce. May need to consider closing some. If we push through it. Your sellers push through. There. Diamond dot red here. Are we gonna go? We're on that white line. Jeez. Yes. Yes. Push. Push.
Short.
No,
Look
we're gonna
for
get this
short.
run all the way down. I'll take some off
Target
here.
filled.
Right underneath that white line. Not gonna hold my
Target
runner.
filled.
Okay, just give me target one, baby. Just give me target one. Let's go.
Delta by building.
Gonna react to that white one. Alright, I'm close. Okay, we know there's a white line play right there. So Diamond Dot, again, we are going against the grain. Mac V's across the boards are all still green right now. So I'm happy with just a target one there. There's trade two. Not too much out of that one. And again, we kind of got hung up with the green to red. Oh, I'm hearing sells. Oops. Oh, wow. Slip click. Okay. Yikes. That's a slip click. I'm going to buy out of that. Okay. Holy shnikes. Did not mean to click that. I am tricky. Slippy slipper here. Touched one. Do we have space down to 35 320s? And it just went straight down here. I don't want to see another pull up. Give me a red dot somewhere up in here. Give me some other kind of play here on this. Come back at RTY. Do we have anything juicy on RTY coming in? Holy cow! Look at NQ. That's a huge delta. All right, we are delta shifting. Let's hold on. Let's come down here to NQ. Forget those guys. Look at NQ. Okay, we are definitely we're on the shift now. What is NQ doing up top? On the wave?
Fib
Yes,
dot.
we went
NASDAQ
blue to
on the
red.
twos.
Up top, look. See that red dot right there? Okay, coming in. We've got a spot right there. Again, it doesn't look like it's very far away, but that's going to be 359s.
Fib dot.
We're target one.
NASDAQ
There's a
on
red
the
dot,
twos.
adding to. Let's go. Let's go. Here in the cells, add to position. Let's see if we can make it. It's at 59s. Okay, and I'm down at 50. Might be pushing a little bit too far there, but we've got king and large right there. Make sure we don't accumulate there. If we start accumulating there, top is a little bit in jeopardy there. Right back behind the red dot there. Push it. RZ's right down there, sucked right into him. Get into that PRZ. Huge delta shift here. Now, if we bounce up, I'm gonna have a problem, right? Okay, there we go. Getting some targets. Get down in there.
Target filled.
There we go. Okay, we are in a PRZ here.
Short.
What's my Mac V? Okay, I've really got to start taking some off right here.
Harmonic pattern.
know we're still
NASDAQ
technically-
on the twos.
Still technically green. Yikes, we're pushing up. I'm gonna close it. Okay.
Harmonic
Not too
pattern.
much
NASDAQ
there
on the
on
twos.
trade number 3. Okay, again, going against, but let's see. Again, we might be doing a total shift here, but we need to wait for some good plays here. Still having to deal with, again, solid green, and we are green everywhere else too, except for YM. YM is now red on the histogram. So for shifting, great. That is a huge, huge sign right there, though. And I'm pretty sure on the high time frames, yeah, that's the biggest one. We've shifted. See? Greens, Now we red, and then boom, biggest red. So if we shift and push up, we've got a problem, right? We could, you know, if that just runs, you know, we've got that. But I'm expecting that this is going to be a delta shift here. As we start to shift red, we'll see if we can take some plays. I want to make sure that we are solid red on the histogram before I start taking anything crazy big. But we'll take target 1 right there, no problem. Double king timing's coming up, large right there. Be nice to see something. We're on a large timing. Look, big delta coming in there as well. We've got space to the king timing, about 4 bars on 5s and about 5 bars on the 2s. So let's see if something comes in here, okay? We want something in there. Man, there's all kinds of stuff here. So hard to see any levels. There's no levels other than the white cross level right here. So we can use that for a target down there. 3, 5, 4s if we get a play. And we got a PRZ there as well now. Interesting. Hearing buyers, but no reaction to that. Let's see if we can get a setup here to coincide with this. Now, if we just run, yeah, if we're green, we got to go long. If we get a red, we'll go short.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Red dot on the 5s. Okay, I'll use this to see if we can push into a white line right there. That'll be my target 1. And then that one's just out there. Let me push it in just a hair. We are against MACV right now still technically, although we are shifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more bars till we are fully red on the MACV. Little red dot play, double red dot. Get a little bit out of this or not. Little red dot. Let's go. Get there. Uh-oh.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Okay, we've got green dot coming in here as a bright green. I'll take half my position here. Run my targets up here into my target 1 spot. That is an HMD bright green. Oh,
Nasdaq on the 2s.
Push it.
Target filled.
Excellent. Okay, we'll take that. Trade number 4. Yeah, not too much out of that. Okay, there we go. Histogram now going red for us. Big delta shift here. Got to be careful of this one. Might be a buy opportunity here. Let's see how this goes. We're right on that white line. Could be a potential bounce here. Got my finger over the buy if we do.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the 2s.
Got double king there. Are we gonna break it? Okay, we just broke it. Their space is to 347s. Right there. Gotta wait. Grade 5 coming. Here comes. We're double king and 1 bar away from king on the 5s.
Harmonic pattern. Nasdaq on the 2s.
The diamond. I need to take the next dot, right? Diamond. Those where I would be pressing all these, right? Run full auto. Any dot that shows up here around this diamond.
Harm.
Here in the cells. Are we breaking? Oh man, RTY, are you joking me? RTY had a giant pink dot. Excuse me. Giant pink dot up there on RTY. Maybe an easier play than this one here. I've got a PRZ target down below me. I'm going to use this. Let's see if we can go down in a little bit of a toe in the water first. Not going to get crazy with it. Oh shoot, where'd my PRZ go? Yikes. PRZ just disappeared. Where I saw PRZ down there. Oh.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
There
on
it
the
is.
twos.
Oh, I was right on it. Okay, no, I'm good with that. There's a PRZ right there. Front run it by a hair. Here in sellers. $350.75. $50.75 is down here. About 5 ticks up. It's like up there. Okay, white
Harmonic
cross.
pattern. Nasdaq on the fives.
Got my finger over the close here. Right on king timing there. Shifting red. I hope this is going to be a push. Drop it. Eat on this. Ah, I'm closing it. Alright, we might push up right there. I don't know what's going to happen right there. Okay. So, little one, little lost there. I don't know what's going to happen right here. We could push up. I've got a nice juicy PRZ down there. Got my finger over the cell. We got a bonus trade coming here. I'm here in sellers. We're right on king timing. Pretty big extension we've already moved here. We've got space to this line right there. It's all the way at 47s. 347. It's all the way down there. I mean, it looks like a nice juicy play. Got a white cross. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm going to try this final trade here. Bonus trade. I'm not going to risk much. I'm going to put my stop right back behind here on the cross. No, there was a PRZ right there. Uh-oh. Okay, we just snapped. I'm going to add to the position here and put my stop. Again, here's my final trade. I'm just going to put my risk there. Right back behind the white cross. We've got target 1 where that prior PRZ was, which it may have already gotten
Nasdaq
there. Oh,
on the twos.
I got a 50 cent. Drop it. Don't you do it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the
Exit.
Okay. Try to get tricky with it. And got wrecked. Oh, green dot showed up right there. Alright. 6 trade. Didn't work there. Got a big shift right there. Okay. That was it. Thought we'd see something more out of that YM. I'm kind of curious still what happens with this. There's something big is coming. This will probably be tomorrow's juiciness. We've accumulated here, so the distribution is coming. And if we stay up at this level, yeah. So tomorrow, let's look. Again, we've either got a huge extinction move up to 3600s, or we're going to come crashing down, and we've got hundreds of ticks opportunity here coming in. We're basically coming into the last 10 minutes of the day here. You know, Lucky Sevens can, you know, be a potential opportunity here, but on a day like this, I've already, you know, I don't know, it's kind of off a little bit, and I'm kind of feeling out of my game now. It's this speed. I'm not getting a good read right now, and I can just tell. I'm just feeling it. I'm not. I mean, that was a real good sign right there. I wish I would have been able to maybe capitalize on that King Delta, but I really didn't before. Got in a little late on this. Oh, now comes the move, of course. Are we gonna get to that PRZ? I'm gonna give this one more shot. I'm gonna give it one more shot. Toe in the water. I'm gonna put my stop back behind the cross one more time here. Let's see if we can make some. Oh, don't you do it, you nasty dog. Oh man, breaking my rules, taking more trades. Am I gonna get wrecked? Got my finger of the close here. PRZ target down below. Get down there. Come on, there we go, there we go. I'm here in the sellers, let's go. Adding to position, quarter position here, let's go. Get me into that PRZ target down there, let's go. Okay, there we go. We're dropping. I'm going to put one right there. If we bust through that, that would be fantastic. We've got, I mean, that is a huge delta shift here. Let's see if we go. Come on. Get my stops back behind the white cross here.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on the twos.
Drop it. Come on, there's large timing. Let's go. Drop it right now. Let's go. Drop it.
Fib dot.
There we go. Red dot. Add to position. Get down in there, baby. Let's go. Get down in there. All right, I'm adding to position here. Get down in there. Let's go, baby. Come on. Yes. Yes.
Target
yes. Go. Go. Don't you turn right there. Get down in there.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Red dot. Add to position. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Drop it.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
Red dot. Add to position. Let's go. Adding to position. Let's go. All right. Come on, drop it. Let's go, baby. Drop it. Yes. Yikes. Why are we not moving here? Drop it. Drop it. You do it.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ
don't you do
on the
it.
twos.
God
Fifth
damn it,
dot.
closing it out.
Exit.
Oh my word. Oh man. Oh, NQ did the things. Oh, and look at this delta coming in. So we thought this was shifting, and then no, we got a big one coming in here. Yikes. All right, push my luck, and oh man, I gave a good bit back on that. All right, well, that serves me right, trying to get 2 bonuses there, and man, oh, didn't work. Yikes, got wrecked. Pushing right back into
Harmonic pattern.
the white line,
NASDAQ
sucking it
on the
right
twos.
back up in
J-hook
there.
long. NASDAQ on the
Oh,
fives.
that was nasty. That was nasty. Oof. Are we shifting? We're coming into the close here. I'm just gonna leave it be. Man, oh man. What a wrecking ball.
Fifth dot. NASDAQ on the
No
twos.
fun. Alright, well, Trump, what do you think about that?
Okay.
Yeah, it was just okay, wasn't it? Wasn't great.
Thank you very much. That's really nice. Thank you. So shiny. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Because you'd be in jail.
The what? No, that was not fun. All right, so let's see where we're at here. What's today? 24th. All right, so let's generate there, and 58%. Oof, rough one. All right, so profit factor wasn't too great there either. I could just tell the speed wasn't quite my type of day here today. Yeah, I feel like I could have. Well, I don't know if I could. That there's nothing really I could have done that. Market gives, and sometimes she don't. What else I could have done? High time frame. Been able to see that. Okay, I'll kind of review this. Looking at the high time frame to see if there was a way I could have been able to pick that out better, but we played the game that was there in front of us. It's a little bit tougher. Not a super easy day on that. Let's expand this out here and look to see where we're at in the contest. 58% profitable, 1.96.
Fifth dot.
Time to
on the
hold,
twos.
3 minutes.
Harmonic
Yeah,
pattern.
see,
NASDAQ
that's
on the
getting
twos.
it's getting a lot higher than we have been recently. And you can tell, like, just the feeling of the speed. It's just not as easy. Yeah, I like it when it's a lot faster than that. Even playing NQ today, NQ when NQ's that slow, you know that could be problematic. In red, and then still she wanted to push up. It happens. Okay. Again, I will kind of, for myself, I tend to come back and I'll review and look to see if there was anything I could have done. Read that delta shift. Then, you know, we shifted back. I mean, you can see it shifting back. Oh man, look at that. That's an even bigger delta. Holy cow. Well, it's end of day here. That's what's going on. That's a couple minutes. So right there, and we are at the close. So yeah, so you can ignore that at the close. Don't forget about that. So that's not a real delta shift. All right. Man, sorry, I dwell on those things. So let's look back here, see where we're at in the trading contest
Harmonic
with the old
pattern.
roster. Oh man, we're almost at 40. $200 away from the 40 mark there. Let's see, 62% profitable overall, profit factor 2.4, not too bad. And let's take a peek at some of the analysis. So across the boards, best day so far is on Wednesdays. And let's look at, so highest day we've ever had was a 5,500. We've been pretty steady with our numbers. 4 red days out of our, again, we've been trading for I'm gonna say a month, but no, it's been longer than that, hasn't it? We are at day 36. in the contest for ourselves. Again, I know Ross is, he restarted his time and all this other kind of stuff. He's running the show there, but hey, it is what it is. Most of the stuff we're doing here, end of day, again, this has nothing to do with the trading strategies themselves, just has to do with what time of day. I'm usually trading in the afternoon. It is not that our system doesn't work in the mornings. In fact, many of our members, their best times are in the mornings. If you guys have been following along in the chat room, you guys go check that out. Yeah, final hour of the day there. Let's see, max drawdown. Let's look at stuff like that with drawdowns. So drawdowns pretty steady across the board, about the same across there. And let's look at anything else. Oh, that's I think we covered everything. Cover it all. I feel like there's one that we usually miss. Maybe cumulative. I don't know. Better or worse. I never really get too much into that. Unless I'm doing full auto. When you're doing full auto, this stuff matters a lot more. But when you are discretionary, a little bit less. Oh yeah, of course. I knew there was one we were missing. Duh! Climbing the mountain. Where are we at in the mountain? So, our mountain climb, still looking pretty good here in the trading contest. Again, the markets have been fairly easy. Lots of volatility. And VIX up, ticks up around here for us. So, not terribly bad. Not at all. All right, don't forget, September the 1st, the end of gold, folks. We are releasing the new website. If you thought about, joining us, this is the time to do it. Right now, you are getting 2 robots and potentially, I'm just saying, this is going to be our first announcement. There may be 3. That's right. We may have 3 robots being released there for the gold membership. Don't forget, this is how we trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on the bonus. Trade the system, see the setups that are coming in front of you, trade it like a video game, and of course, Algobox is a cheat for that. If you would like to try the cheat, again, you can go install 2-week free trial for yourself. September the 1st is coming up. What about 7 days?
NASDAQ on the
You got 7 more days. You got a whole week. You can try it out for yourself, and if you get in before September the 1st, you're getting lifetime access to everything. You're getting Audiobox. That will not be included in the future. Audiobox will be separate. Flowmaster will be separate. The bot pack that's getting included in gold, it's going to be separate. You are getting all that included right now. And of course, we are doing a Black Friday offer plus $1,000 off of the Black Friday offer because, again, I'm trying to be super generous here. This is the end of all of that. When we release the new website, they will be sold separately. And there will be a yearly that you'll have to pay to get into Audiobox and Flowmaster. So, best time to get in. You'll never pay again if you are jumping in right now before September the 1st. And that's just, that's it, folks. Anything else? If you guys got questions, hook us up over there in the Discord chat. If you'd like to get on a call with me, I am always available to you guys. I will catch you guys on the flip side. For me, Pippy, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G, and the rest of the gang. Let's see if Vinny can fix this video scenario here and the cameras get all fixed up. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Let's send out that big H-Town. See ya.
In a world of scammers and shammers, there arose one demigod to wreck them all, making trading great again.